Today's lesson, Aqua Regia. What is Aqua Regia? Let us have a look. Suppose this is a beaker in which three parts concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part concentrated nitric acid. So it's a mixture of 3 parts concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part concentrated nitric acid. This mixture is known as Aqua Regia. Which is nitrohydrochloric acid. So, what is Aqua Regia? Aqua Regia is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in a ratio of 1:3 by volume, is known as Aqua Regia. So, Aqua Regia. This has been taken from Latin words. It means royal water. This is also known as king's water. Actually, Aqua Regia is nothing but powerful solvent. Aqua Regia is nothing but powerful solvent. It can dissolve even noble metals like gold, platinum. But how? This is what we are going to learn today. So let's begin. Aqua Regia. 3 parts concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part concentrated nitric acid. It's a kind of powerful solvent that can dissolve even noble metals like platinum and gold. Let us see dissolution of gold first. Dissolution of gold. Aqua Regia, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid. 1 mole concentrated nitric acid reacts with 3 moles concentrated hydrochloric acid, and these are formed nitrosyl chloride gas, water. Here 3 hydrogen atoms, 1 hydrogen atom. So 2 moles water and 2 nascent chlorine are formed. That is to say, Aqua Regia forms nascent chlorine. Now, this nascent chlorine reacts with gold to form auric chloride. This is solid. Equation number 2. This is equation number 1. This auric chloride reacts with hydrochloric acid to form chloroauric acid. Here 3, but reaction 3 is already balanced. Now these 3 reactions are aggregated to omit intermediate products in this way. Reaction 1 is multiplied by 3 plus 2 is multiplied by 2 plus reaction 3 is multiplied by 2. Then we get from equation 1 3 nitric acid plus 9 hydrochloric acid. Here 3 nitrosyl chloride gas, 6 water and 6 chlorinascent chlorine. Equation 2 is multiplied by 2, then we get 6 chlorine plus 2 gold. Here 2 auric chloride. Now equation 3 is multiplied by 2, then 2 auric chloride, this one, plus 2 HCl. Here 2 chloroauric acid. Now adding these 3 equations we get. Before this will cut this one, 2 auric chloride, 2 auric chloride. From this we can write 3 nitric acid, 11 hydrochloric acid plus 2 gold. On the right side 3 nitrosyl chloride plus 6 water plus 2 chloroauric acid, that is gold changes to chloroauric acid. Here gold dissolves in the solution and changes to chloroauric acid. When here gold is dissolved, then it changes to chloroauric acid. In this way gold is dissolved in Aqua Regia. Now let us see dissolution of platinum in Aqua Regia. Dissolution of platinum in Aqua Regia. When platinum is added to Aqua Regia, then these reactions occur. Nitric acid reacts with hydrochloric acid. 1 mole concentrated nitric acid reacts with 3 moles concentrated hydrochloric acid to form nitrosyl chloride, 2 water, 2 nascent chlorine. Nascent chlorine reacts with platinum to form platinic chloride. 4 chlorine atoms, here 4. This is suppose equation number 2, this is equation number 1. Platinic chloride reacts with hydrochloric acid to form chloroplatinic acid. two hydrogen atoms, the reaction is balanced. Suppose this is reaction number 3. At the reaction 3, chloroplatinic acid is formed. Now, these reactions are aggregated to omit intermediate products. In this case, reaction 1 is multiplied by 2 plus reaction 2 plus reaction 3. So, reaction 1 is multiplied by 2. Then we get 2 nitric acid plus 6 hydrochloric acid. On the right side, 2 nitrosyl chloride plus 4 water plus 4 nascent chlorine. Reaction number 2, 4 nascent chlorine plus platinum. Here platinic chloride. Then reaction number 3, platinic chloride plus 2 hydrochloric acid. On the right side, chloroplatinic acid. Now, these 3 reactions are aggregated to get 2 nitric acid plus 8 hydrochloric acid, 4 nascent chlorine, 4 nascent chlorine. Platinic chloride will cut this platinic chloride. On the left side, 2 nitric acid, 6 hydrochloric acid plus platinum. On the right side, 2 nitrosyl chloride plus 4 water plus chloroplatinic acid. So here chloroplatinic acid is formed when platinum is added to Aqua Regia. That is, Aqua Regia changes platinum to chloroplatinic acid. In this way, platinum dissolves in Aqua Regia. So, Aqua Regia is a kind of powerful solvent that can dissolve even noble metals like platinum, gold. This is all about Aqua Regia. Thanks for watching.